You will need some work at height training if you work at any height, whether it involves ladders, cranes, aerial lifts, or simply standing on a hop-up or fragile surface.
This may be a basic explanation from experienced team members, or undertaking a certified online course from a reputable training provider.
The 2005 regulations stipulate that workers starting projects classified as working at height must receive proper training.
The guidelines state that anyone working at heights must be competent and have sufficient skills and knowledge.
Although the regulations do not specify the required amount or level of training required, workers must be trained according to their job role and the severity of risks present.
For example, a ladder employee will require less training than someone working on a 10-story building using a harness and lanyard.
Working at height encompasses various activities, including working on scaffolding, a crane, or in areas where there is a risk of falling through a fragile surface.
No specific definition of height exists, but falls of 2 meters or less can cause serious injuries.
The Work at Height Regulations 2005 aims to prevent injuries or fatalities resulting from falls for individuals working at heights.
Employers are responsible for ensuring that employees working at heights are competent and have sufficient knowledge, experience, and training before beginning their tasks.
A certified training course, such as the Working at Heights online course from HSE Docs, thoroughly explains the risks associated with this type of work.
If you seek comprehensive fall prevention training, you may also want to explore our online slips, trips, and falls course.
This short online course provides the necessary knowledge to prevent and manage slip and trip hazards in the workplace.